The optional large volume reservoir can be added at the beginning or any time during the procedure. The LVR will hold up to 3 liters of fluid, has 5 fluid spikes, and can be added to the system in less than 1 minute. Disconnect the small reservoir by unscrewing the lower fitting on the recirculation line. If the small reservoir contains fluid, close the blue clamp to prevent a spill before disconnecting the fluid line. Disconnect the fluid line by pressing the quick release tab while separating the fluid tubing. To install the large volume reservoir, attach the large reservoir holder, unpack the reservoir, connect the fluid spikes, and place it in the holder. Attach the large volume reservoir by connecting the fluid line to the quick release connector. Connect and tighten the recirculate line with the lower fitting.